Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot add card. The region settings for this device cannot be used with Apple Pay. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are trying to add a card here in your Apple Pay and you're facing this type pop-up message that you cannot add card. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens when you're living in the country or you have set it up country in your iPhone which doesn't support Apple Pay. So let's see how can you fix that. So you have to simply open your settings here. The very first you have to check your VPN connection. If you're connected to VPN, so you have to disconnect this first because it may affect your location based content. Then go back and then open your language and region option from here. Select release region and you have to select the country or region in which Apple Pay exists or in which you can use Apple Pay. For example, I have selected United Kingdom, so you can also select United Kingdom here. Once you have selected, go back and then you have to retry to add card in your Apple Pay. So you can do this using your App Store. Open App Store, tap your profile in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID, then verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Select country or region, then tap on the continue option, or you have to select the same country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone. So I've selected this one, so I'm reselected. So tap on continue option here, then tap on agree in the top right corner. Now you have to add your payment method here. You have to add your card here, then your billing address, your phone number, and also your name here. If you don't have any billing address here, or you have to enter your postcode also, so you can Google or you can get help from Google to find any location or a postcode, and then tap on the done option in the top right corner. And once you have done, your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.